What's up? It's Gallery Tattoo on 7 Mile. We're about to do this touch-up on this tattoo. Matter of fact, we're going to do this repair. It's not even a touch-up. It's a Horus. It's an Egyptian hieroglyphic design. And take a close look over here, Rose. It's a decent drawing, but the tattoo itself, I don't think is at the quality it should be. So we're going to take this tattoo to the next level. We're going to add all the shadow, shade, and make it complete, and do a real patient tattoo, okay? And this is my man. Introduce yourself.
Man, Thumper Star, what about it?
Thumper Star from Detroit, via Florida, Miami. That's right. Okay. We'll be back in 3 seconds. Alright, this is the completion of the repair tattoo. So if you have a tattoo and it's a decent drawing and a decent tattoo, there's a big chance that we can fix it. But if it's too bad, we might not be able to touch it. I'm going to continue making videos of